In criminal case number 43478-R, accused Shalimar Imperial Jr. and Felix Lumbad Jr. are found guilty beyond reasonable doubt of the crime of murder as charged in the information and are sentenced to reclusion perpetuum. They shall also indemnify jointly and solidarily the heirs of Darwin Dioso Dormitorio 75,000 as civic indemnity, another 75,000 as moral damages, and 25,000 as temporary damages. They shall also pay 100,000 pesos as attorney's fees. All these amounts shall earn 6% interest per annum from the finality of decision until fully paid. In criminal case number 43479-R, accused Julius Carlo Tadena is found guilty beyond reasonable doubt of violating Section 3 in relation to Section 14B 1 of Republic Act 11-053. He is sentenced to suffer the penalty of reclusion perpetua and to pay a fine of 2 million pesos. So ordered, Baguio City, Philippines, the 16th day of August 2024. Signed, Leonardo Maria Ligaya P. Itlong Rivera, President.